Hey guys, today's now let's see the problem for first unique character in a string. Okay, so you are given a string, as then it is an easy question, and you have to find a first non-repeating index. Okay, non-repeating character index. Okay, it means that you have to find a character in a string which is not repeating. Suppose suppose I have L, E, E, T, C, O, D, E. So all the non-repeating characters are L, T, C, O, D. Okay. Now, in from all these characters, I have to find the first most character. Okay. So how can we find this? There are many approaches for this, but the most simple approach I would give to you is using a hash map. Okay, in which I am creating a hash map in which I'm storing suppose I'm iterating over L, and so in this the L is not there in hash map, so I'll put L with the index 0. Okay, now I'll go to E. E is not there in our hash map, so for E equals to 1, the index is 1. Now I move to again next character. Now I found the E, so E is in my hash map, so I will replace the 1 with the max value. Okay, in which it is showing it is a max value. Now I'll go to T, so T equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now T equals to 3. Now C equals to 4, O equals to 5, D equals to 6. Now E again, since it is max, I am just going to replace with max, so it is not anything. Now what I'll do after this is I'll iterate over this hash map. Now I'll put a res value which would be max in the starting. Okay, now 0 is 0 and 1, 0 and max, so I'll replace with 0, max and max, which is minimum 0, 3 and 0, which is minimum 0, 4 and 0, which is minimum 0. So I'm just finding the minimum of all this and just returning that value. If it res is a maximum, then I'm going to return -1, else res. Okay, this is the logic behind this. It is quite simple, so let's code it up. Now the length of the string, I need a hash map, so I made a hash map for I in range 0 to n. I'm iterating over the string. Okay, now the main thing is if the character is not there in our hash map. Okay, if s of I not in hash map. Okay, so what we have to do, just have to simply reassign to a index. Okay, else if the character is in our hash map, I have to return put a max value. So in Python I can use float infinity, or in C++ you can do int max. Okay, now this for loop is complete. Now I need value. This will store the rest value. Okay, now I'm going to iterate over now the hash map. Okay, for I in dictionary or the hash map, I just have to simply do a minimum or the solve this. Now return res if res not equals to float infinity as -1. So this is our hash map. I'm finding all the indexes, and if there is a double index or triple or duplicate, I'm going to assign it to max. Then this will store all the minimum indexes. I found the minimum index for this and it's returning it. Yeah, let's submit this. The manual says it is quite efficient. Okay, now the thing is, the time complexity for this is O of n. Okay, and what is the space complexity? You will say it is n. No, it is not n. It is a constant thing of 26. In this, the time complexity n, and in this, the time complexity is 26, which means the overall time complexity and the space complexity is O of n, where n is the length of the string, and the space complexity is a constant which I consider it to be a 1. Okay, so constant complexity, a linear time thing. So this is the approach. Hope you understand this. Yeah, solve.